Hi everybody! I want to inform you that I have recently published a full course for beginners in Revit, and it's specially indicated for people who want to learn to use the program through practical exercises. The course is divided into several sections, and along the lessons, you will learn to model fundamental elements such as walls, doors, windows, floors, stairs, or roofs, accompanied by useful tips and techniques to help students overcoming common challenges in the program. Additionally, we will cover important topics such as visualization, annotation, schedules, or how to print a documentation. Then, to encourage you practicing, I included exercise files along the course, both Revit project files and PDFs, so you can apply what you learn in each lesson. So, feel free to click on the link to the course in the description of this video. You can explore the course structure and watch the free preview lessons. Then, if you find it valuable, you can easily purchase it directly on the Udemy platform. For now, I want to thank you for all your support, and I hope to see you there.